Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, middle frame, wireless module, display panel assembly, and hinge cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the three 3.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Important. Ensure the display panel cable is properly routed through the left display panel hinge. Replace the three 3.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. The right display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.